Do you want to create your own cat food packaging? I will design a label in Canva and preview it in 3D with Pacdora. First, I need the size. Go to pacdora.com, choose dieline, find the dieline of the product. Pacdora shows the dieline size. It's about 6:3 by 8:1 inches. And then let's match that in Canva. Go to Canva, choose custom size, type the size from Pacdora, click create. So now I will create a label called Meowlicious. Tuna and Chicken Delight. I add a cat photo, real tuna badge, and clean colors. Next, the design for the back label. Ingredients, nutrition table, feeding guide, company info, and barcode. Download it as PNG. Go back to Pacdora, click Design Online, upload the PNG from Canva here, place it here, click Save, and then you can preview it here. Click Video, choose the size, and choose the video template. Okay, so this is the preview. Try Pacdora free for Mockup preview. And to download it, you have to get the Pro. If you want to get the Pro, I have an affiliate link in description. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun.